Hello friends, I am back with my series where I do the analysis of all India installed capacity of power station in India and I try to compare it with the last month installed capacity. All capacities are in megawatt I have shown in the table. It is clearly visible that and I will compare it with the last month March 2021 installed capacity to have a better look to get insight about the gains and loss in the installed capacity. If you look at the table, in India there are made 5 regions: northern, western, southern, eastern, northeastern regions, and some islands are there. And there are four major sources of energy: thermal, nuclear, hydro, renewable energy sources. Coming to total installed capacity for the month of April, and all these data are available on public domain on the sites of CA. The youth engineers can visit there and get more reports like that. It was 3.82 lakh approximately. You can see the exact figure. And now coming to the contribution by each sources, 61% is contributed by your thermal, 1.7% by nuclear, hydro contribution is 12% and renewable is 24. Going in more depth, if you look at the thermal, that is contributing 61%, and out of that 61%, 86% is contributed by coal, 2.8% by lignite, 10% by gas and 0.2% by diesel. If you see the contribution in terms of the total installed capacity, coal contribute 53%, lignite 1.7%, gas 6.5% and diesel 0.13%. Important part. When we talk about renewable energy sources again has four constituents. The first one is small hydropower, wind power, biopower and solar. Total contribution is 95,000 and out of that 95,000, small hydropower contribution is 5%, wind power 41%, bio is 10% and maximum is given by the solar, that is 40,501. You can see in the picture. Now if you talk in terms of the total installed capacity of this renewable energy, small hydropower gives 1.2%, wind 10, bio 2 and solar again giving 10. Now time to compare it with the last month scenario. What was the contribution with respect to the last month? That is March. If you see region wide comparison and see the total installed capacity for March and April, there is no much difference. In March that was 382,151. This time this is 3,82,730 and the only percentage change is 0.15. If you look at the table and you see the percentage change region wise, that there is no much difference. Now time to talk about the percentage difference between March and April 21 for the various sources of generations of March and April. There is slightly decrease in the contribution by your thermal, it is minus 0.09 and similarly hydro capacity has also decreased by 0.02%. Overall, if you look at the figure, there is no drastic change, no significant change. This was all about the changes and comparison. I will continue speaking every month on the total installed capacity. Thanks for your patience listening. Thank you everyone. Thank you very much. Thank you again.